Happy Tiny Tuesday, budget friends. I'm so glad to be here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who is trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I will link our shop as well as our freebie down below. There's actually a Google Drive full of freebies, but also there's a monthly freebie, which I will link as well. So you can grab it if you like. And I was thinking, I've already been working on, it's March 11th today, and I've been working on these savings challenges, and what I've noticed is I haven't even pulled the freebie for March yet, and I need to do that. I need to go ahead and do that because I'm obsessed with it. And I was actually going to go back to the library to print it up because it printed so dark, but I just haven't made it back there, and I can't keep waiting. I need to work on my savings challenge for the month of March. Let's see what we have to work with today. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have $22 today that I'm working with. Love, love, love to see it. What I'm going to do is I am going to, oh, I'll just set it in the back. I'll set it in the back for now. But what I need to do first is we are going to set this gorgeous one here, right? And then we're going to roll the dice. Let me grab it. All right, so we're going to roll the dice and see how much our SilynthiaC Budget Creations Luck Savings Challenge, $4. Let's see here, 4. All right, 2, 4. And I don't want to spend up all my money on this one yet, 4. I am going to try to make sure that I'm doing it throughout the rest of the month. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, I think I'll roll one more time. Should I roll one more time? I'm using all my money. 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And last month, I did the Galentine Savings Challenge, which was the SilynthiaC Budget Creations freebie, and I didn't complete it. But this one, I want to try to complete. Obviously, any savings challenge I want to try to complete, but you know, we just have to see how things go. My finances are not always going to be perfect and in order, so we just have to work with what we got. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bucks that we're working with today, or excuse me, that we're stuffing today into our SilynthiaC Budget Creations Luck Savings Challenge. Like I said, this one is a freebie for the month of March. I will link it down below. We will add it to the Google Drive. Also for the month of March, we did have some freebies coming out every Friday, which are separate from what you've been seeing. So I'm so glad to see this. Hopefully this is dry because I'm going to go ahead and set it in the back. That way I can remember to keep working on it. I want to try to complete it for the month of March. If I don't, you guys, I don't beat myself up about it. I just keep going with whatever the best I can do. I keep going. All right, so we have a couple of savings challenges still left in this binder, and I think we were going to do odd even. Yes, that's exactly what I said. I believe. So let's pull our savings challenges from here, and then we will set this binder off to the side. I did get a question, where did I get these binders from? I did not purchase them. I received them as a gift from Mia's Envelopes. She had them and she said, hey, you know, do you want some binders? And of course I do. And so these are the ones she sent me. And since I've gotten them, I have not stopped using them. And I keep thinking, give them a break so you don't tear them up. But it's just working out so well. So I think I'm just going to keep using them. Yeah, at this point, I just think it's totally worth the aesthetic, and I'm obsessed with them. I love them. Also goes good with my my calendar block, so it all worked out perfectly. So thank you, Mia. So appreciative. Okay, so these saving challenges are freebies, which I will link the ladies down below. This is from, the mermaid is from Suns and Roses. She has a shop. She has PayHip, and she has also an Etsy shop, and you can message her on Instagram, all of that. But I do have a discount code down below that you are more than welcome to access and use if you decide to purchase from her shop. It is link, or it will be down below. So if you do want that discount code, grab it. Also, this savings challenge, the Baby Yoda, is actually from Simply Tea Plans, and I will link her as well. Okay, so let's see here. We'll do odd, even. Odd is the mermaid, and even is Yoda. So let's see here. Odd, even, odd, odd, odd. We have $1 left. Who's getting it? Even. Okay, perfect. These savings challenges are taking me a little bit longer than normal because they actually are higher amounts to save. So that's why I decided I would just keep pushing through. But I would also want to add in my Luck Savings Challenge from S&C Budget Creations. So we're adding $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 here today. And I believe we had, yeah, we did have money here. So I said $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. All right, so let's see, how are we going to make this work? I think we're gonna have to do, we'll do 5, 6, 7, and we will, let's do half of this too. So we still need another $1 to complete that too. That works for me because now it all adds up to 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's take this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Perfect. So we'll take this 10. And now we have 30. And I've mentioned before that I'm just doing the best I can with what I've got. If I'm able to keep posting every day, I will. You know, at this point, I'm not certain how things are going to turn out for me. But we're adding $1, $2, $3 into Baby Yoda. 1, 2, 3. Getting close, it looks like. Getting close. All right, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bucks here, which is so awesome. So I have a couple dollars right now that I may be able to put into my savings challenges tomorrow. And I mentioned this before as well. This is really important for those of us who are on a low budget and are low income. Stuff and save whatever you can. It's very, very important. And I have to keep reminding myself I don't need $50 or even $20. Just whatever I can stuff into my savings challenges. That's what I need to be focused on because it's the end game that I really am trying to get taken care of. My savings challenges I stuff into my sinking funds. My sinking funds include money that I'm working on saving long term as well as right now spending. So I'm kind of budgeting for spending. And with spring break coming and things like that, I want to be able to make sure that my children and I are not missing out on the fun things, in that we are making plans and goals so that way we can really enjoy our time together. So these savings challenges help so much with that. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to use the few dollars that I have for tomorrow, because I think it might be a really good idea to show you that you don't need a lot of money, and it's really important for people to remember that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching and coming back every day. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.